What's up, guys? I'm back. I know you missed me. I know you guys love watching those LS videos, but I know you missed this Hotboi bullshit. But yeah, I'm back. I got time now. I got a fancy degree. Says I'm an engineer or something, but
yeah, that's why he's been MIA.
Yeah, we really only did it so we could pay for drift cars. But so today we're gonna get back on this, get bodywork so we can get it painted finally. We're gonna wash it because it actually has a lot of sawdust on it. It's doing adult things. Take that however you want. But we're gonna wash it. I think we're gonna get rid of the pinstripe and pull the moldings. And then depending on what time, maybe I'll scumbag Huey into pulling my door handles because he wants to paint those separately.
Fuck your door handle.
Anyway, so we're gonna get started. We're gonna get going on bodywork. Probably won't finish today, obviously, but let's get going. Alright, so we're done for the day. Huey was nice enough until my drill died. But he took all the pinstriping off. And I pulled the trim off. And then
washed the car earlier.
Washed it, now it's dirty again.
Yeah.
And we'll be back in a couple days. I think we're going to do some fiberglass work. Start more body work, like I keep saying. But slowly but surely, we're going to get to Hotboi stuff. So that's it for today. But we'll be back. We're back. It's another day. We're gonna get started on this bumper. Try and get rid of this like sweet slope that it has. A big gap. So I think our plan is to just cut underneath a line around this and see how much we can flex it, and then figure out a way to hold it flat and then reglass it. So yeah, let's get started.
Yeah, let's cut and then figure out what to do next.
Let's get boogers of fiberglass.
We made a cut line. It's still kind of hard, so Justin's gonna have to cut through, maybe, so that way we can get that piece to flex a little bit more.
Yeah, something.
Try more, and we'll be out.
All right. If you didn't think our name was fitting yet, boy, do I have something for you. Show them what we got. But so we cut it. It's cut on both sides, and then we leveled it with the 3 clamps and the various pieces of support. And then to be able to actually get in there and fiberglass it, we turned the table 90 degrees and used another piece of wood and a jack to hold it. So behold.
Yes, it's very, I don't know.
The ratchet finesse you could ever want.
It's what 2 college degrees get you right here.
Yeah. Stay in school, kids. You can do things like this. Anyway, so
now that that lip or that shelf is flat, we're hoping that we can get in there now and fiberglass this all, and it'll just hold its shape. But
now we can fiberglass in one step, because I think originally when it was the other way, we were gonna have the fiberglass to hold the shape and then undo it and then fiberglass to support, and we were worried about it sinking again. So now we can fiberglass just like this, and hopefully it'll hold its shape.
Justin's mixing some resin, and we have our strips cut out. Nothing's much changed over here other than we taped the corners, because these are the new corners we're gonna make. Get some mat down.
I just want to
build those new corners, and then reinforce the cuts that we made, and hopefully this bumper will now stick to the shape. We didn't really record any of that laying down just because of the limited working time and just trying to get it done fast.
To both of us.
Yeah. We need 4 hands on the job.
4 hand jobs.
4 hand jobs.
The supports don't stick.
Yeah.
There we go. All done.
That's it for now. Now we just kind of wait and see what happens. So we were talking, right? And we were like, oh, we could have just flipped the table up like an hour ago. But yeah. So Justin took the clamps off.
Ready?
And, oh, the clamps aren't off yet. That's one. Oh.
Oh, my tosis.
You took the clamp out and it didn't move, so that's good. And I'm stick at the center.
Oh no.
Yeah. So now there's his plate was stuck. Did the wood come off and all the other plates?
Yeah, we're good.
So now it's level, or
It's better.
But before it was definitely dipped down, and now it's kind of straight now. We'll have to peel the tape too, and then fill this crack with body filler, and then Justin can fix these corners too. See, we did know what we were doing with these things, and yeah, temporary structures.
Yeah.
So
I gotta be. So we're done today, and we got it mocked up, and it's definitely better than it was. It's not perfect, but it doesn't suck as bad. Take a look.
yeah.
So it still dips a little, but honestly, it's way better than it was before. If it would have came like this, we would have left it. So now I just got to make it look pretty. Yeah.
What else you got to do?
The
Bodywork.
whole car. So yeah, I know I keep saying it's ready for bodywork and prep, but I think it's actually there. Should be no more like re-fiberglassing of things. I need to trim and over a little more so the gas cap fits, and I need to make that driver's side passenger door close a little better. But other than that, I think now that I have time, it's a big one. Start doing bodywork prep, getting some of these dents out, body filler and all that, so that'll be soon. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing. We'll see you next time.